I am super excited, and this is why. This is literally why. I got some pieces of Temu and they are looking good already. I'm about to unbox them. Well, I have opened them, but not really opened them because I just literally got them this afternoon. So I'm about to unpack them so you can see them. You know what I'm about. I'm about budget-friendly fashion, looking like $1,000,000 yet not breaking the bank. So let's get right into it. The first thing I got is this bucket heart camouflage. I've been loving camouflage lately, so I'm just going to try them. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I got it. It looks good. I like the material. It looks good. It looks like something that's going to be durable for quite a while. Yeah. Off this goes. This is the next one. Yeah. So I got this jacket, camouflage also. Got it. Yeah, gonna be. So I wanted this a size medium, but they didn't have it, so I had to go for large. It has this denim material. It's denim. However, I don't know if it's gonna be durable because it's giving old denim already. Well, I'm gonna be styling it. I love it regardless. Like I said, I wanted a style medium. I mean a size medium, but they had only large, so I had to get the large. But the fact that the sleeves is like right here, I love. I do not like hanging sleeves. I don't like my sleeves to be over here. You have to like cover a good part of my palm, so I love it. So I'm just gonna get this off. Love it. Love this. Put it right here. And going to the next one I got. Okay, the shoe. I love. Here, guys, here. I'll wear it. I'll wear it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll wear it. For you guys to see. Okay. Let's take this off. Oh my god, they are so gorgeous. By the way, I wear the size 39. And the US size 8. So let's go. Okay. Super duper comfortable. That I can say. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Hey, buddy. Okay. Look at her. Ain't she looking good? Look at her. Get into these shoes, guys. This is good. Look at her. Let me start her with this bucket hat and see what it will look like. Is she giving? She's giving. She's giving. She is giving. She is giving. Yes. Yeah. Affordable. Get this off. Oops. Child. Oh my goodness. Okay, good. Oh, I fortified the thing. That's right. Easy to get off for boots. So, I don't know how I feel about this top because I have a shoe that has this print, same color, everything. So when I saw the top, I was like, oh, this is gonna fit right. It's just gonna, go with the shoes. However, it's giving me dim dull. It's giving me very dull. I don't know. I'm just gonna try it on, but I just don't know. I just don't know about this top. I'm just gonna try it on. Okay. Okay, look at it. Well, it's not bad. I can guarantee that it's gonna be like durable, like something that'll stay for years. However, since if you have a lot of clothes outfit, this will serve and stay for at least a good number of months or a year or more, because the material is not that bad. However, I'm not really feeling it like that, so I got it in a size medium, by the way. Literally all my outfits are the size medium. Now we have this face cap here. I'm gonna try it on. I need to like loosen it a little bit, but this is what is I love this is what it's giving. I love. Yeah, so nice, one of my favorite. Let's do another stuff. Yes, I did. One more to go. I got a shirt. I do know I got a shirt. That's fine. It's right here. She is right here. So, get the shirt. Look at her. Brown is my color. I love brown. And what's really made me get this shirt is the fact that it has this camouflage print on it. That's why I got it. And I love it. However, I don't know. It's not, the material is just in the middle, it's sitting on the fence. It's not all the way good. It's not bad. It's just there. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna be styling her with the boots and my face cap and a pair of jet denim. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But this is it. These are all the items I got. I'm happy with my purchase. My favorite item of them all is the face cap and the boots. I love the boots. Love. Yeah, so that is all I got. I'm gonna see you guys in my next purchase haul. I'm gonna be doing in whatever you want me to do. Just let me know in the comments and you have it. Also, if you want the link to these items, let me know and you have it. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Subscribe.